again with our President and CEO, Ed Udell, for another FMA Debrief. And today we're going to be talking about some important international issues facing the manufacturing industry. Tell us what's going on, Ed.
Our economic newsletter, Fabrinomics, was delivered to our membership. We employ an economist, Dr. Kuehl, and in this issue he's writing about the coming collision course between U.S. and China, the potential impacts of that on manufacturing as well as the global economy. If you're a member, you're going to want to dig in on that. If you're not a member, a great way to get this newsletter is, of course, to join the organization. Additionally, Chris talks more about this collision course is headed and the recent administration's commitment to electric vehicles and maximizing production here in the United States. So Chris talks more about that, as well as a number of other issues in this month's edition of Fabrinomics.
Great. So to learn more about this exclusive content and other perks of FMA membership, please visit our website at fmamfg.org.